Welcome to Chohe Adventures. On this video I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful Father's Day rock. I started by painting blue paint on the top of the rock. This is just to make the background, and it's very simple. I used blue, white and black paint, and for the other rock that I'm going to show at the end I use red, white and black. So it's really simple. You just make the first coat of blue paint on the top, and then you start integrating the white and start fading the colors to the top. I just waited a few minutes so the paint can set on the rock a little bit, and then I started to do, you can say, the second coat. I apply the blue paint again and then the white paint, and I just blend the colors. The way I blend the colors is by painting with the blue and then with the white, and if you're gonna mix the two colors, then you need to clean your brush and start fading the paint, and then you clean it again, then you go a little bit higher or lower and so on. And then once you finish blending the colors, you wait a couple of minutes for the paint to dry a little bit. Doesn't have to be completely dry. This is a silhouette with the father, with the daughter and son, and this is not very detailed drawing. This is simple. Anybody can do it. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. If you have any questions, suggestions, let me know. Leave it on the section below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I make videos about painting and arts and craft, but mainly on painting rocks. And I want to wish all the fathers in the world a happy Father's Day. I also made another video about Father's Day, and I'm gonna leave it here on the right upper corner if you're interested on seeing the other rock. The trees are not realistic either. I just made the branches spraying all over, and the second one, if you notice on the top, I tried to make kind of like a heart, not exactly, but kind of like a heart, compared to the first one that I did on a different colors. Now the background, you can make it with your own color. You can make it purple, you can make it orange, you can make it green, whatever you want. You can actually even add stars to the blue rock, so it seems as it's getting dark at night and the stars are starting to show. On the red one, you can add the sun, maybe rising in the background, or you can add a moon on the darker colors. You can do just with a sun or just with the daughter. You can actually write down in the bottom, Happy Father's Day, Grandpa, Dad, Daddy, Stepdad. You can customize it as much as you want. You can do anything you want. Your imagination is the limit. And I have a challenge for you. I want to ask you to describe your father with maximum of 5 words. Leave it in the section below, or if you cannot do that, then give me a reason why you love your father. If you have any suggestions for this channel, or you have an idea, or you want me to show you another tutorial, please let me know in the section below as well. In the future I'll make a resin tutorial, so stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Happy Father's Day. And this is the other rock that I made on my previous video. Check it out.